Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to start with a new chapter in EVS 2. So, I am going to ask you few questions and you all have to reply. You all have to answer those questions. Questions are connected with chapter 3. Your first question: which Jagir was bestowed upon Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Means which Jagir was given to Maloji Raje by Nizam Shah? Yes, the answer is Pune and Supe Parganas. Your next question: who restored the temple of Krishneshwar? Who repaired the temple of Krishneshwar? Yes, Maloji Raje Bhosle repaired or restored the temple of Krishneshwar. Question 3. Whom did Shahaji Raje marry? Yes, the answer is Shahaji Raje married to Jijabai, and Jijabai gave birth to a son and his name was Shivaji Maharaj. So, today we are going to learn about the hectic conditions in which Shivaji Maharaj spent his childhood days in lesson number 4, Shivaji's childhood. Children, this is part 1 of this chapter. Children, we are going to revise with new words which we are going to come across in this part. And you all know what you have to do. You all have to revise all the words with me. Your first word: dispatched. Dispatched. Despatched. Dispatched. Despatched. Dispatched. Dispatched means to send. Trouble. 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 Trouble means a problematic situation. Worried. 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 Worried means mentally upset. Auspicious. 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 Auspicious means a lucky day. Residence. Residence. RESIDENTS. Residence. residents. Residence. Residence means people who lives in a place. Appropriate. Appropriate. A double P R O P R I A T E. Appropriate. A double P R O P R I A T E. Appropriate. Appropriate means suitable. Relative. 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 Relative means a member of your family. Massive. 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 Massive means huge. Protection. 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 Protection means to protect someone. Children, this is the content outline of this part which we are going to study. So we are going to study about birth of Shivaji Maharaj. But before that, I want to tell you a story of this part in short. Those were the days when Shahaji Raje was in a real trouble, as the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan had sent a huge army to capture the Deccan. Pune, which was Shahaji's Jagir. Adil Shah of Bijapur had also burnt Shahaji's Jagir. Shahaji Raje was constantly on a run. At that time, Jijabai was pregnant, means she was going to have a baby soon. Shahaji Raje was thinking of a place where she would remain in a safety and peace. He remembered of Fort Shivneri near Junnar in Pune. Jijabai was sent to Shivneri Fort, where she gave birth to a son who was named as Shivaji, as he was born on the Fort Shivneri. Now those were the unsettled days for Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was in a great trouble. He was in a difficult situation. Now why he was in a difficult situation? Shah Jahan, the Mughal emperor. Now you can see the image of Shah Jahan. He was the Mughal emperor from the north. He had sent a huge army to capture the Deccan. And here on the other side, Adil Shah was angry and he burned the principal town, the Jagir of Shahaji Raje. Now why Adil Shah burned Pune Jagir, Shahaji's Jagir, the principal town of Shahaji? Why he did that? Now, as you all know, Shahaji Raje was working under Nizam Shahi. Malik Ambar, the Wazir of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was jealous of Shahaji Raje. This gradually led the antagonism. It means a hatred feeling between them. As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar, means the chief of the army. Later, when Wazir Malik Ambar died and Nizam Shahi was declining, Nizam Shah's mother requested Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. So, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. Now, because of this, Adil Shah was angry and he burned the Jagir of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was worried about. Now here, at the same time, Jijabai was pregnant. It means she was going to have a baby. And this was a great question which worried Shahaji Raje. And he was searching for a safe place where she should remain in safety and peace. Shahaji Raje remembered the Shivneri fort and decided to send Jijabai there. Shivneri fort was strong. It was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. The fort was situated in Pune district near Junnar. It had a steep cliff on all four sides and a strong fortification and massive doors. Fortification means nobody was able to attack that fort, means the walls were so tough and strong. This fort was in charge of Vijay-Raj. Now, who was Vijay-Raj? A relative of Bhosle. A relative of Bhosle. He agreed to give protection to Jijabai. So, he was also in charge of Shivneri fort and he agreed to give protection to Jijabai. Here, Shahaji Raje left Jijabai in Shivneri fort and marched towards Mughals. Birth of Shivaji Maharaj. The golden day dawned. Now it was a lucky day for Jijabai and Shahaji Raje. On the auspicious day of Falgun Vadya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shaka era, that is on 19th February 1630, Jijabai gave birth to a son. Now everybody was happy. Pipes and drums were playing in the Nagar Khana. They all decorated the fort and all the residents of the forts were happy. On the 12th day, now we all know we do the naming ceremony after 12 days. So on the naming ceremony, the child was named as Shivaji, as the child was born on Fort Shivneri. Children, we will do a quick recap of this part. When Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan sent a big army to conquer Deccan, Shahaji Raje sent pregnant Jijabai to Shivneri Fort. Jijabai gave birth to a son on 19th February 1630. He was named as Shivaji as he was born on Shivneri Fort. Children, we will start with our assessment. Are you all ready to take your own test? Right? Yes. Let's start. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. Now see the first one. Shivaji Maharaj was born on the dash fort. Now you have to name the fort where Shivaji was born. So two options are there in front of you. The first one is Purandar and the second one is Shivneri. So on which fort the baby was born? Yes, Shivneri. Shivaji Maharaj was born on the fort Shivneri. Second one is the correct answer. See, Shivaji Maharaj was born on the Shivneri fort. Our answer is correct. See the second one. Dash from the north dispatched the big army to conquer the Deccan. Now, who sent a big army to conquer the Deccan? Who was from north? See the first option, Adil Shah, and the second option is Shah Jahan. So who was from north? Yes. The correct answer is Shah Jahan. I will take second one. Okay. So let's see the answer. Shah Jahan from the north dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. See the third one. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Dash district. In which district? The fort was situated in which district? Yes, and the correct answer is Pune. Let's tick. So Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. Our answer is correct. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. Tick the correct alternative. Means again you all have options in front of you and you have to take the correct answer. See the first one. Why did Shahaji Raje send Jijabai to Shivneri fort during her pregnancy? See the first one. It was a strong and fortified fort. The second option, it was situated within the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Now think about it and answer. The second option is totally wrong. The correct is the first one. It was a strong and fortified fort. So I am going to take the first one. Second one. Who was Vijayaraj? Options are in front of you. First one, a Sardar of Nizam Shah. Second option, a relative of Bhosle family. So here, which one is the correct answer? Who was Vijayaraj? Yes, very good. A relative of Bhosle family. So here the second answer is correct. A relative of Bhosle family. Children, we will meet in the next part. And what you all have to do? You all have to revise all new words and you have to write 3 times and you have to submit the home assignment online. Thank you.